It was just a beautiful day. I mean, you couldn't ask for a much better day to drive. I was headed to the job site loaded, had a young driver, had his wheels turned as if he was going to turn my direction, but he never stopped.
The sheriff was thinking that our driver was at fault. I was able to email over the clip. The sheriff called me back and the tone had completely changed. He even made the comment that
He saved a boy's life. They put the cameras in the trucks, which I wasn't a fan of at first, but to see what it could do for the company and what it did for me, it's a really good move to have.
I'm thankful that Argos pointed us in the direction of Geotab and Lytx. They have been better together.